Okay, so this is the next step of brewing beer. So I've selected a Hefeweizen. I'm a big fan of German beers. This one's going to have kind of a banana clove sort of a taste to it, but it's a variant of your typical Hefeweizen. So within this kit, you're going to get 3.5 pounds of a Pilsner malt. You'll get 6 pounds of wheat malt. And you'll get 2 ounces of Cascade hops. And of course, every kit that you'll get from your salesperson will have an instruction. So I recommend reading through your instructions to make sure that you're doing everything in order. So first thing we're going to do when we're going to brew this beer, according to the directions, is we're going to collect about 2.5 gallons of water, and you'll do that in your brew kettle. Now, if you've got a kit that actually has grains, you'll use that grain bag that I mentioned earlier. And as you're heating the water, you'll take those grains, put it into that grain bag, and kind of steep it like you're making some tea. When the water temperature reaches about 175 degrees, you'll want to take those grains off and discard them. The whole idea here is to extract all the sugars out of the grains, and that's what the yeast is going to use to make the alcohol. So in this case, this is really simplistic. It's called an extract kit. So all of the sugars basically have been extracted from the grains already in a malt form. So a lot more consistency when you use this method here rather than using grains, and I like it because it's really kind of simple. So we'll get ready to bring this water up to temperature and then go over the next step.